Hi everyone, I am Janya Patil and in today's Python tutorial, we will dive into three essential keywords and functions of Python that are break, continue and pass. These are super important for controlling loops. Let's break them down with simple examples. First up, here we have break. It is used to exit a loop immediately when a certain condition is met. So let's see an example of it. Here I am taking a for loop for I in range 5. Now I will give my condition, that is if I equals 3, then break, and otherwise print the I. Let's see what my output comes here as. In my output it is given as 0, 1 and 2. Now let's try to understand this. For I in range 5 I have taken here. So it will take I values as 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Here 5 will not be included. Now for every I my loop will run. So firstly taking my I as 0, it will go to my if condition and check whether the condition is fulfilled or not. So here for I equal to 0 my condition is not fulfilled. So it will directly go to my print statement and print 0. Similarly for I equal to 1, it will go to my if and check whether the condition is met. As the condition here is not met, it will go to print and print 1. Now similarly for 2, it will go to my condition and check whether it is fulfilled or not. And here for I equal to 2, my condition is not fulfilled. So it will also go to my print statement and print 2. Now for I equal to 3, here it will go to my if statement and check whether my condition is fulfilled or not. So here my condition is fulfilled. Then it will go to my break and it will exit the loop when I is 3. As you can see, the loop stops running as soon as I equals to 3. That's why the next I, that is 3 and 4, it is not there in the output. Now coming to continue. It is used to skip the current iteration and move to the next one. So let's check this out. For I in range 5. Now my condition, if I equals to 3, then continue. And otherwise print I. Here in my output, it is given that it will print 0, 1, 2 and 4. Now let's try to understand. For I in range 5, so my I will take values as 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. It will not take 5 as the value. Now my every I will go to my if statement, check whether it's true or not, then it will print. Let's check for I equal to 0 first. It will go to my if statement and check whether the condition is fulfilled or not. As here the condition is not fulfilled, then it will go to my print I and print 0. Similarly, for I equal to 1 and 2, it will go to my condition and check this condition is not fulfilled, then it will go to print I and print 1 and 2 here. Now for I equal to 3, it will go to my if and then check the condition. As the condition is fulfilled here, it will go to continue and skips 3. Notice how 3 is missing here in the output. Then it will go and run for I equals to 4 and check the condition is not fulfilled. Then it will directly go to print I and print 4 here. So the loop didn't stop, it just skipped that iteration where the condition is met. Now coming to pass. Unlike break and continue, pass does nothing. It's just a placeholder. It's useful when you are planning to add the code later. Now let's take its example also. For I in range 5, then our column, then the condition if I equals to 3, pass, and otherwise print I. So here in the output we can see that it is printed 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now let's try to understand this. As we have seen earlier, our I will take values as 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now, for every value of I from 0 to 2, it will go to the condition and check that it is not fulfilled. Then it will print our I, that is 0, 1, and 2. Now for I equal to 3, where this condition is fulfilled, it will go to the past, but it will do nothing and it is just a placeholder for the future code. Then this will go to print I and print our 3 here. Now for I equal to 4, it will also go to our condition. As the condition is not fulfilled, it will go to print I and it will directly print our 4. That's why in our output we have all the values of I. Now let's recap what we have learned today. Firstly, our break that exits a loop early, then continue that skips an iteration, then our lastly the past, which is a placeholder for the future code. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one. Happy coding!